Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack. This is how to send files in Messenger fast. So to do this, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, from here, of course, just simply select the person that you want to send the file to. And to send a file, you will have an option down below the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, as you can see, when you tap on that, you will have an option over here, Files. So go ahead and go to your files and it will open up your phone storage. Now, over here, of course, just simply go ahead and select the file that you want to provide to your friend. And now, right away, it will be sending directly to them. And from here, once you have sent it, and once they have a tap on it, as you can see, it will automatically be downloaded into their device. As you can see, it is asking me that if I should download this again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.